guys, today we have our Shopkin box.
Yes.
So look what it comes with. 2 Shopkins. I think there's Shopkin in here too, okay? Let's see it. And there's oven and a sink. No, a dishwasher and an oven and a box. And also a refrigerator and also some pantry. Now let's start opening them. We have a small Shopkin again with those friends. Let's open them. Look. Now let's open that one. Wow. They comes with I think there's 2 blind bags. Oh my god, 2 blind bags. Here, look, now let's open them. What comes with? Oh, it's a cake.
Wow.
With an angel in his hand. It's an angel, a blue angel. On his hand. Angel. It's a not angel, angel. I think it. It comes in my book. Look at the book. It's a bit open. I can open them myself. It's a bit open. Oh my god, it is. It comes with. Oh my god. It comes with a bowling thing. A dummy. When you just lick it like that. A donut. It's a donut, Tony. Ellie was teasing. I'll show you what it does. It can open like this to it. And what we got today? We got the ticket after money. And let me see what we got in here. And we got this one. Actually, it's not the same. It's a map. It's a map. What you have to follow is these things, okay? Those are the map on it, yeah? I found a treasure on it. It's not a treasure. No. Now we have to do it like that. And like and we do like. And look, they are friends. They're both friends. Bye.